go, Cookie Monster.
Welcome to Fun Place.
Hey everyone! Today we have these two cool toys. On this side, we have Cookie Monster's Drop and Roll. And on this side, we have Kids Connection Rolling Ramp. Let's have fun! We're gonna start off with the Cookie Monster game. Are you excited for your new game, Cookie Monster? Let's get started. Oh no, wait!
Huh?
I hear something. Is someone coming? Oops, sorry, Abby. Hey, it's the PJ Mask. Hey, guys. This game comes with 3 cookie balls. There's yellow, cyan, and purple. First off, we have Elmo with the cyan cookie. Are you ready, Elmo?
Yes.
Here you go. It's Abby Cadabby with the purple cookie. There you go. We only have one more cookie, and it's Grover with the yellow cookie. Here you go, Cookie Monster. Are you guys ready for the rolling ramp? The ramp comes with 3 cars. Let's begin with the purple car. Ready, set, go! Yellow. Here we go. Nice. Next up is red. Oh no, he ran out of gas. Let's try these colorful balls. 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry guys. What was that, Cookie Monster? You want to try your marbles?
Yes.
That's a great idea. Here we go. Well, that was fun. Are you guys ready to race your cars?
Yes.
Okay, up the elevator you go. Ready, set, go. boy.
Yay!
Owlet, are you ready?
Oh, yes.
Here goes the owlet glider. That was a smooth one, Owlet. You're up next, Gecko. Gecko-mobile ready. Set, go! Okay guys, I had lots of fun today. I'll see you next time. Bye!